Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to customize screen recording options in Realme 14x phone. So first of all we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience. Next we need to scroll down to screen recording menu, and here we have our options. So what we have here? We have record screen sound, system sound, excuse me. We can record our microphone sound. We can change definition of our screen recording. We can change frame rate. We can enable privacy protection, and as you can see, other options such as record front camera video while we are recording our screen. We can enable auto pause, and we can even enable or disable screen touches while we are recording our screen, and we can change video format if we want to. And that's all.